Alison, Richard, Jamie and Rafi work in a university research laboratory that studies water quality, chemistry and environmental engineering. For the last 3 years they've been developing a low energy consumption water purification system small enough to fit in a backpack. They have just been notified by the university's Technology Transfer Office that the preliminary indication from the Patents Office is that the patents will be approved. The Technology Transfer Office wants to discuss commercialisation options, and the 3 inventors are trying to decide what to do next.
Cheers to 3 years of hard work finally paying off.
It's funny how things have changed though, isn't it? The payoff never used to be patents being issued. It was more about sharing your knowledge, helping people.
Yeah, but welcome to the real world. I mean, some of us have got mortgages and school fees to pay. We've been putting off talking about starting a company around this technology for long enough. This is the time.
Starting a company? I thought we were talking about licensing it to a big corporation. Surely they'll be able to get it into the market sooner.
Maybe. If they take us seriously, but then they get the profits.
Yeah, but I'm not sure we'd know where to start if we had to do it ourselves. I've never run a business.
I suppose we do run a pretty big lab here. Must be a bit like running a small business. Although I have picked that up as I've gone along, really.
I had no idea you guys were thinking of starting a company.
It's just something we've bounced around between us from time to time.
Sounds exciting, but is there a lot of work involved?
I mean, to be honest, none of us have got the right kind of experience. Well, but except Jamie. I mean, you've helped run a couple of small ventures, yeah?
Yeah, but they didn't work out very well. I mean, the ideas look good, but we didn't get to the customers quick enough, and then we ran out of money. That's when I had to mortgage the house again. But I mean, this is different. I mean, the ideas are there, and we all know there's a huge market for clean water, especially in developing countries.
It's strange to talk about people as markets. I mean, when we started this research, it's because there's millions of people, especially children, who don't have access to clean water sources. I mean,
that's why I wanted to get involved in the first place.
We saw this as a way of, preventing the spread of disease and helping improve health in impoverished areas.
Yeah, of course. I mean, but there has to be a company that produces the product and transports it. And that costs money, therefore it needs to make money. But the question here is, who's going to make money from it? Some faceless corporation or us?
That makes sense. I mean, personally, I'd love to be able to retire a year or two earlier so I could do some travelling.
I'm not sure I see it all like that, but we definitely need to do something. I'm supposed to meet with the Technology Transfer Office next week. Maybe they'll have some suggestions on what we should do next.
Yeah.